This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking Rin into a striker role and picking a formation that funnels attacks centrally. This creates consistent service. Once done, prioritize training. Spend 60% on finishing to raise shot conversion, 25% on ball control so you keep possession, and 15% on stamina to last full matches. Make sure to equip items that increase shot power and short passing. Those small bonuses compound over a season. Begin matches aiming for early touches. This builds momentum and confidence for Rin. Once Rin is positioned, you execute mid-game combos. Mix quick 1-2 passes and through balls into the 1/3 space behind the backline. This pulls defenders out of position and opens lanes. Make sure to trigger his skill shots after a chest or thigh touch. Timing adds accuracy and power. Also, manage bursts of sprint. Go all out for roughly 10 seconds, then recover for 20 to maintain sprint effectiveness. These choices change how defenders react, so adapt continuously. As matches reach climax, you must finish clinically. Favor placement over raw power in 1 versus 1 situations, attacking the near post low for higher success. If his accuracy starts dipping, reduce sprint reliance and dedicate 2 matches to ball control drills to restore precision. Make sure to switch tactics if defenders clamp him. Moving Rin into a false 9 role creates space for late runs. If something still fails, review replay to identify timing or angle errors and correct them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.